Good morning students, I am Rashri Jain. In the last lecture we have covered till exercise 2.3 of chapter 2 fractions and decimals. Okay. Today we will start the next exercise 2.4 in which we will face some word problems regarding fractions. In these word problems you will be given some statements by which you have to find what is asked in the question, what is given in the question, and then what are the operations we have to solve regarding fractions. And in this process we will solve these word problems. So let us start. So question 1 of exercise 2.4 is Minu purchased 3 upon 4 kilogram of mangoes, 1 upon 6 kilogram of potatoes, and 1 upon 4 kilogram of onions. Find the total weight of the 3 items purchased by her. The question is really very simple. What is given in the question? Agar Meenu purchased 3 items, mangoes, potatoes and onions, and the weights of these items are given in this question. This is for mangoes, this is for potatoes, and this is weight for onions. So you have to find the total weight of those items which she has purchased. Obviously, to find the total weight of these items, we have to do sum of these given weights of mangoes, potatoes and onions respectively. If we add the weights of these 3 items, we will find obviously the total weight. Okay. So, total weight of 3 items purchased by Meenu is equals to weight of mangoes plus weight of potatoes plus weight of onions. Okay. So, weight of mangoes is given 3 upon 4 kilograms plus weight of potatoes is 1 upon 6 kilogram plus weight of onion is 1 upon 4 kilograms. The 3 quantities are given in the kilograms. Okay. Now, this is addition of fractions. So first of all, we will convert these mixed fractions into improper fractions as we do in all questions if mixed fractions are given. 4 3s are 12, 12 plus 3 is 15, 15 upon 4 plus 6 1s are 6, 6 plus 1 is 7, 7 upon 6 plus 4 4s are 16, 16 plus 1 is 17, 17 upon 4. Now we have converted these 3 fractions into improper fractions. Now you know students, to add to add fractions we have to convert the denominators into same denominators, means fractions must be like fractions. So for this purpose we will take LCM of 4 and 6. Okay, as the third denominator is also 4, so no need to write it for 2 times. LCM of 4 and 6 will be 12. Okay. So now I will convert these denominators into 12 by multiplying denominator and numerator both with the same number. 4 3s are 12, 15 into 3 plus 7 upon 6, 6 multiplied by 2, so 7 will also be multiplied by 2 plus 17 upon 4, again 4 3s are 12 and 7 into 3. 15 3s are 45 divided by 12 plus 7 2s are 14 divided by 12 plus 17 3s are 51 divided by 12. Now you can see the 3 fractions are like fractions. So write the denominator as it is 12, add numerators 45 plus 14 plus 51, and if we add them we will get 110. Denominator will come as it is upon 12. So 112 upon 12, 110 upon 12 is in the unit of kilograms because we are finding the total weight. Now you can see it is not the simplest form of this fraction. So we will convert it into its simplest form by dividing it by 2. 110 divided by 2 upon 12 divided by 2. So it will be 55 upon 6. And again, as 55 upon 6 is the improper fraction, we can convert it into mixed fraction. And the mixed fraction for this purpose will be 9 1 upon 6. When you will perform the division process, means if you will divide 55 by 6, you will get 9 as quotient, 1 as remainder, and denominator will come as it is. So it is in the kilogram. Okay. So 9 1 upon 6 kilogram will be the total weight of these 3 items purchased by Meenu. Students, I am repeating the answer. We have to find the total weight of 3 items purchased by Meenu. So 3 items are mangoes, potatoes and onions. If I add their weights, it will be 3 upon 4 plus 1 upon 6 plus 4 1 upon 4. In this step, I have converted them into improper fraction. Now the denominators are different, so I am taking LCM of 4 and 6, that will be 12. By converting them into equivalent fractions, I will make their denominators equal to 12. And I will find these fractions, 45 upon 12 plus 14 upon 12 plus 51 upon 12. Now as you can see, denominators are same, so write it as it is. Add only numerators, 45 plus 14 plus 51, and the addition of these numbers will be 110. Denominator will be as it is. Now 110 upon 12 is not the simplest form. To convert it into simplest form, I will divide it with their common factor, that is 2. So if I divide numerator and denominator both by 2, I will get its simplest form as 55 upon 6. Okay. And it is an improper fraction. To convert it into mixed fraction, I will divide 55 by 6 and I will get the mixed fraction 9 1 upon 6. And this answer will come in the unit of kilograms because I am finding the total weight. So this is the final answer for this question 1. Now the second question is, Aarti ate 3 upon 8 part of a chocolate and the remaining chocolate was eaten by her sister. How much part of the chocolate did her sister eat? Who had the larger share and by how much? What is given in the question? There was one chocolate. Aarti ate 3 upon 8 part of that chocolate, and obviously some part was remaining, and that remaining part was eaten by her sister. Means Aarti and her sister both ate that chocolate. Aarti ate 3 upon 8 part and the remaining part ate her sister. Her sister ate the remaining part. So the question is, how much part of the chocolate did her sister eat? Okay, so we have to find the remaining part of the chocolate that was eaten by her sister. So what is given in the question? Aarti ate 3 upon 8 part of one chocolate. Okay, one chocolate was there. So the part of chocolate eaten by Aarti's sister will be obviously the remaining part of the chocolate. The remaining part of chocolate. And what will be the remaining part of chocolate? How will we find it? To find that part, we have to subtract this 3 upon 8 part from one chocolate. Okay. So 1 minus part eaten by Aarti. Okay. Means from one chocolate, the part which has Aarti eaten will be subtracted, and then we will find the part eaten by her sister. 1 minus. So part eaten by Aarti is 3 upon 8. It will be 3 upon 8. Now you can see 1 is the whole number. Obviously 1 will be its denominator. 1 and 8. Two denominators are now and both are different. So the LCM of 8 and 1 will be 8 obviously. We have to convert this number into denominator as 8. So I will multiply with 8 both the numerator and denominator. Okay. Minus 3 upon 8. So it will be 8 upon 8. minus 3 upon 8. Denominator will come as it is, 8 minus 3. It will be 5 upon 8. Means 5 upon 8 part of the chocolate was eaten by Aarti's sister. 3 upon 8 part Aarti had, and 5 upon 8 part of the chocolate Aarti's sister had. Okay. Now the next question is, who had the larger share? Means between these two parts, 3 upon 8 and 5 upon 8, we have to find which part is greater, and for that we will compare them. So Aarti's part is equals to 3 upon 8, this is the fraction form, and her sister's part is equals to 5 upon 8. Here you can see denominators are same, so we will compare their numerators only. 5 is greater than 3, hence 5 upon 8 is greater than 3 upon 8. Here 5 upon 8, the fraction 5 upon 8 is greater than the fraction 3 upon 8. 5 upon 8 is the sister's part and 3 upon 8 is the Aarti's part. Hence obviously Aarti's sister ate more part than Aarti. Hence Aarti's sister had the larger part than Aarti. Now the next is, by how much? Means how much part had Aarti's sister ate than Aarti? Means Aarti's sister ate how much larger part. Okay, so we have to find that quantity. For that we have to find the difference of these two fractions, means difference of both sisters part. Okay, so difference will be obviously 5 upon 8 minus 3 upon 8. 8 will come as it is, 5 minus 3, 5 minus 3 is 2, 2 upon 8, and if I cut both of them with 2, I will get 1 upon 4. Means Aarti's sister had 1 upon 4 part larger than Aarti. Okay, what does it means? Aarti's sister had 1 upon 4 part larger than Aarti. Okay, so in these questions 3 questions were asked. First was, how much part of the chocolate did her sister eat? So the part ate by Aarti's sister is 5 upon 8. We just subtract the part of Aarti from one chocolate and we have got the remaining part that was eaten by Aarti's sister. Then who had the larger share? Obviously we have to compare both sisters' share. 5 upon 8 is greater than 3 upon 8, hence Aarti's sister's part was larger than Aarti's part. And by how much? So we have to subtract both parts. 5 upon 8 is greater obviously, so we have to subtract 3 upon 8 from 5 upon 8. So 1 upon 4 part of chocolate was eaten larger by Aarti's sister. Okay, so this is the solution for question 2 of exercise 2.4. So students, this was all for today. Tomorrow we will do other remaining parts of this exercise 2.4, means some other word problems regarding fractions and their operations. Thank you.